I want to say a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to us this memory foam pillow to try. This is going to be perfect for sitting up, reading, watching TV, gaming, nursing, if you're in recovery or just getting comfy. This comes to you fully compressed from shipping, but it comes together really quickly. It comes in several parts, so you can fully customise it however you wish to get the best experience. It has the super dense memory foam throughout all parts of it, which gives it that really great comfortable feel. It comes with you a headrest and two arms, and the arms do attach via Velcro just to keep them nice and snug, but they can be removed really easily if you want to. You can also convert the headrest into a leg rest, and also those arms can be used as well, put together to make a little mini table. That higher density memory foam is really great because it's going to be sag resistant. The material is also really nice and soft, and it's also fully machine washable, so you can unzip it and pop it in the washing machine. And there's some really great details as well. It has this really handy little side pocket so you can put your book or your glasses in there or your remote. It also has a really helpful carry handle on top as well if you want to move maybe from the bed to the floor or to the sofa. We've tried it out for a few days. We think it's absolutely fabulous. It's super comfortable. I love the fact that you can machine wash it, you can move it around and customise it however you wish. This is going to be perfect for relaxing, particularly if you like reading and gaming in bed.